Hey everybody, it's November the 4th, and I'm gonna fix the water for my the new chicken coop video. If you hadn't seen that video, you'll have to check it out. That was my last one. It's really cool. Look behind me if you want to see it. Isn't that cool? Man, we really enjoyed it. So, I only got like 3 chickens in it right now. Anyway, we'll have more later. But anyway, so I ordered this new water for them, and the reason I bought these is because I've actually had these before, and I've actually I got another video as well on it, and where like I said, I had several different waters, and man, most of them just didn't work very well. And man, after I found these, I absolutely love them. And then I went to a hardware store, and I wanted something I could see the water in it, so I didn't want a solid colored 5-gallon bucket. I actually wanted like a 3-gallon bucket or something, but I couldn't find one with a top, so I found a top on it. But anyway, so I could see the water, how much water I have in it, what many gallons in it. And this is a paint bucket, is what this is. And it is food grade. And how you tell in the bottom is there's a little marker that you can tell where it's food grade on the bottom. And but anyway, so it's I'm gonna put these in this 5-gallon bucket, and we're gonna see if it works. So I hope it will. Be a good little upgrade. So, oh, and how I'm hanging the bucket is, see, it has this little tab. I could have cut this off, but this is actually a good thing, like a spacer. And I just took some little key ring keepers, or whatever you call them things, little rings, and I put 2 little chains on there, and that's how I'm gonna hang it, like that. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna hang it, and then I'm gonna put a top on it. So that's the plan anyway. We'll see if it works. So let's put these on here. Install these. Here's the drill bit that came with it, okay? And then, now, I did run into a problem. That's why I left one out. Thank God I did it. Is because they have this little washer, okay? That way I'll have an extra one of them. And this right here, on this one, when I screwed it in, it won't tighten up. It pops. So that's got me a little concerned. These do look kind of cheaper made than the last ones I got. So I got these off of Amazon, but we're gonna fill them up with water and hope and pray that they don't leak. So it's got me a little concerned. We'll see what happens. Let's put a little water in there and hang it and see what happens. Okay. All right. Got way too much chain on it, but about right there. Maybe one more down. Let's see it. Surely that'll be enough. And I hope the chickens stay off the top of it. Let's give it some water. All right. So now we just have to wait and see how they like it. I think it turned out okay. we keep the little boogers off of it, it'll be good. I gotta come up with a new kind of feeder for them, like a hanging feeder. I ain't got that far, but anyway, this is a new little upgrade. Hey, Big Mama. What's up, Pepper? What's up, Squirt? Oh, I got an egg. Awesome, that's Pepper's egg. I can tell the difference. Pepper has really smooth eggs, and anyway, they're just different. I can tell them. After you take care of them every day, you can get to where you can tell sometimes. So, anyway. I'll try to get some video of them using that water for you.